Do you use platform if you attempt to bring a e-scooter with you? This does not apply to e-bikes.
It should apply to e-bikes.
Visit gwr.com/bikes.
It should apply to them as well, since they have batteries on board as well.
Now approaching Bristol. Please mind the step down from the train to the platform. Change here for Metrobus route M1. Also change here for other buses to a wide range of destinations, including Cambridge and the city centre. Given out the new phase go area, Bristol Park, Shelton, West, Smile Mall, Ticket application, drop in the wall, order your car at gwr.com/go. This is Bristol. Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing. This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. The next station is Parsons Street. The next station is Parsons Street. This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare.
Rather overgrown disused track. Now approaching Parsons Street. Please mind the step down from the train to the platform. This is Parsons Street. Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing. This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston
Bristol Railway service to Weston-super-Mare.
Really hurt. That really hurt.
Now approaching Nailsea and Backwell.
Please mind the step down from the train to the platform. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Change here for the bus link to Nailsea Town Centre and Clevedon, and for buses to Backwell and Long Ashton. Please leave from the main road outside the station. This is Nailsea and Backwell.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. The next station is Yatton. The next station is Yatton. This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare.
Or as I call it, Weston-super-Mare.
approaching Yatton.
Please mind the step down from the train to the platform.
Happy enough, the UK to go area. Bristol, Somerset, there and more. Get best value when you take it back. Tickets and payments rolled into one. Order yours now. GWI.com.
I'd say I just bought it. So I got it Friday, 14:15. I'm part of the experience on Friday.
This is Yatton.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Western-super-Mare. The next station is Worth. This is a Great Western Railway service to Western-super-Mare.
Meh.
We are now approaching World.
Please mind the step down from the train to the platform.
Change here for buses to Bristol Airport, which leave from the front of the station.
Might see my favourite bus. Well, I'll have to come back here next time. Blah blah blah.
This is World.
Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Western-super-Mare. The next station is Western Milton. This is a Great Western Railway service to Western-super-Mare. approaching Western Milton.
Please mind the step down with the train to the platform. try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare. The next station is Weston-super-Mare. The next station is Weston-super-Mare. This is a Great Western Railway service to Weston-super-Mare.
Sounds like a Subaru when it revs up. Or a Honda when it hits VTEC. Anyway.
We are now approaching Weston-super-Mare, where this train terminates. On behalf of the on-train crew, thank you for travelling with Great Western Railway. We wish you a safe and pleasant onward journey. Change here for buses to Bristol Airport, Green, Sand Bay and Burnham-on-Sea, which leave from the front of the station. Buses to other destinations leave from the interchange.
After an hour to the Bristol area, Bristol Park, Melbourne, Weston-super-Mare and more. Get best value on station travel. Tickets and payments roll into one. Order your flight on www.com/railway.
It's the HST! 43010. Get in! Get in! Where do you think I will be sitting? Have a guess.
And then carry them down.
I'm right. Don't worry.
is Hybrid and Birmingham. This is a Great Western Railway service to Taunton. E-scooters are banned on all Great Western Railway trains and stations. You will be refused travel if you attempt to bring an e-scooter with you. This does not apply to e-bike. For more details, visit gwr.com/bike.
800, no, 02, no, 012, yeah.
We are now approaching Hybrid and Birmingham. Please mind the step down from the train to the platform.
Wow. Actually.
Bridgewater. This is a Great Western Railway service to Taunton. E-scooters are banned on all Great Western Railway trains and stations. You will be refused travel if you attempt to bring an e-scooter with you. This does not apply to e-bike.
It should apply to
For more
earbuds.
details, visit gwr.com/bike.
In fact, when I do probably post this on, upload this to YouTube, we're going to break that soon. These train carriages are really, really old, so I'll just leave it as. Why'd you have to come and follow me? Jesus. Why'd you have to come and follow me? There's a lady house. Right, that house, this one. Oh, she followed me. They're just coughing all the time. That's why I moved. Oh well. just be muted. I'm approaching another station, so I want to record it inside. Hang on for a moment, and then I'll tell you
We
where.
are now approaching Bridgewater. Please mind the step down from the train to the platform. Please mind the gap between the train and the
That's all I
platform.
needed.
Right, we'll see you later.
See you later.
Good luck with your travels.
Yeah. See you, Morris.
See you, bye-bye.
Oh well. Oh, it's another HST. Get in.
This is Bridgewater. Do not try to board or leave the train when the doors are closing.
This is a Great Western Railway service to Taunton. The next station is Taunton. This does not apply to e-bikes.
Sure.
For more details, visit musicwr.com/bike.
I was trying to ride another cross-country HST today, but the opposite direction.
Oh, right.
No, this direction, sorry. On a cross-country, like this is a HST, cross-country version of it.
Didn't work.
No, because throughout the day at Cheltenham Spa was just voyages,
Oh, right.
which I wanted the HST just like this, but you know what I mean, cross-country version of it. But throughout the day was just voyages. I went, try on Thursday, hopefully. So I thought, well, I'll go and tick off the stations that are in Bristol,
Yeah.
and Somerset.
Yes.
I feel like I've ticked off every single station around Bristol and Somerset. I might be wrong.
No, it's a hobby, is it?
Yes, my friends Jeff and Vicky, they ticked off all the stations, and I mean all of them, far quicker than I can. It started in May, where they had a fundraiser and so on.
Yeah.
Hang on. So they had a fundraiser, and it started in May and ended in August.
Very good. Yes.
So started at Penzance and ended in Wick, Tick, Scotland area. Yeah.
Very
so-
adventurous.
So they inspired me, and
Bridgewater.
they inspired me and other people that know
Yeah.
them to do it.
Well, if you've got the time, that's when you do it, isn't it?
Yep.
Isn't gonna see us.
Oh, sorry.
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 I'm on the stand.
That one's done.
Sorry, have you got your ticket as well?
It's right there. I think you've seen it. Anyway. I just moved carriages, so because the lady that was sat here kept on coughing quite a lot.
Dear.
Oh. So I moved to the other carriage, and then she followed suit.
Well, she likes
Followed.
you.
Well, not if she's coughing and sputtering that much. I'm not putting her hand over her mouth, but there we are. So I moved another carriage, and she followed on suit. So I moved back here. She hasn't followed me yet.
Not yet.
So so I'm also trying to get enough video and so on for cross-country HSTs. One did pass through that way to,
You need to sit by a window so you get a better.
Yeah. I did, I saw it pass through as
Oh,
I
right.
was on that
Yeah.
side taking a
Right.
So
picture of
when you get to Taunton, what are you going to do then?
go home.
Oh, go home. Sounds like a plan.
I was gonna thought, well, I could go to Westbury and go home that way, but it would be the same old train that I hate so much. And thought, nah, let's just go via Reading. I know Reading very well. So
So have you been on the train all day?
yes, I went to. Well, my local station's Eastleigh in Hampshire. Come on. There we go.
I have a son who lives in Hampshire. Christopher lives in Hampshire in Hook. They've got a little station there.
That's not far from Basingstoke.
No, that's right.
And
It's a commuter village.
what Hook is.
Yes.
I don't suppose you're that far from London, are you?
What, from Hook? Well, they've got a good. Yeah, they've got a good
You
rail
need-
link, which is
Yeah.
why they all.
You're at
It's
Hook.
a deserted village, really. Great big houses and everything. But
Hook is on the stopping service to London.
yes, yeah.
You could go back one stop and then pass through all those stations and then get to Woking and Waterloo faster, but unless you get on my train that comes from Eastleigh, but is it me or does anyone else on YouTube or do you ever look at clouds and try and make a shape out of them?
Yeah, well, I look at clouds and we do, yes, yeah, quite often. My
That
daughter
one
takes a lot
there-
of photographs.
That
yeah.
one there looks like a steam train. I don't know why, but
And
there
that
we
one
are.
there looks like it's rain.
I think I once saw a cloud that was sort of looked like the Star Trek ship
Oh yeah.
thing. I don't know what it is.
Enterprise.
That's it.
And sometimes you look at them and they're like animals. You can think, oh, that's like a dog's
some people
head.
take photos of them and then add little bits with a
Yes,
pen, don't they?
do. Yeah.
Yeah. Or if people had tracing paper, they could put it up against the window and start drawing
I love
things
it
on
when
it.
it's above water and you get
Yeah.
parallel shots. Emmeline did a few when we were away and it was really lovely what she did.
Depending on maybe where you are as well,
Reflections.
sometimes you can, like we can look out and then you can see it's raining over there, can't you? Is that good?
Well, or sometimes clouds look like an animal, but it's other animals. That's it. Try and say it quickly. You get a full tongue twister.
Yes, it is.
It's bits of other animals attached to it.
Yeah.
So, my mum's got a picture, I think, of a love heart, an eye, and you, I think. Can't remember. It says, I love you, but in clouds.
Oh yeah.
So cool.
Bit of a dark cloud here, look.
Yeah, so I said it's a bit grey up there.
It's nice and sunny in Bridgewater.
It was. But we had a downpour.
Yeah.
It rained quite heavy, didn't it?
What time was that?
Oh, about 1-ish.
Yeah.
Half 12, 1.
Oh, right.
Soon dried up again.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Well, we were having lunch and
Yeah.
we were under a canopy, weren't we?
When us YouTubers and train enthusiasts
We are now
video.
approaching Taunton, where this train terminates. On behalf of the on-train
That's
crew,
all right, because if you
thank
fall
for travelling
asleep,
with
you know,
Great
you're not
Western
going
Railway
anywhere, are
and
you?
wish you a safe
Unless-
and pleasant onward journey.
And unless you did fall asleep, the only
Change
place
here for the bus service to Minehead. Change here for the West Somerset Railway.
oh yeah, forgot about that.
Right, well, we're going to have to move you, my dear.
Right.
Have some good fun with your rail journeys.
Thank you. It's not a lot of room, is
No, it's not another event. On the middle of the way, hey.
Taunton, where this train terminates. Please have your tickets and travel documents ready, and remember to take all your belongings with you. This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right,
Portugal 122. Where are you off to? Dunster Castle.